All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So we got some cases in from my man ArmadilloTek. This is the CaseBorn. I like his new boxes and everything. I love this. This is crazy right here. So I've got cases for the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro, and they both say clear. So I'm gonna crack them both just to make sure that these aren't. He might have sent me two of each, so I can possibly do a giveaway. I don't know. He might have. Let's see if they're the same thing in here. Alright. This is for the 9, obviously. Oh, man, Carl. That is good. I'm liking that, man. So let me see what's in this other box for the 9. And let's just check here. They might be the same thing in here. They might not. Yeah, it looks like it's the same thing, so he might have dropped two of them in here. So that looks like, I won't destroy this one then. I won't even bother going any further. This will be a nice giveaway item. So appreciate Carl hooking up the cases, man. So now he's blessing you. All right. So that means that this is a duplicate of this one, which is for the 9. And we will put that off to the side. And that to the side. And here is the clear case for the 9. Wow, really nice. If you have a OnePlus 9, Carl, I should have reached out to you sooner. I spent like hundreds of dollars on cases and I could have just been rocking with you. Nonetheless, here is a beautifully crafted clear case. I mean, this is, and you guys know I don't really like clear cases too much, but lately these beautiful devices that I have, I've been wanting to show off the true color of the skin or just the true color of the device, i.e., which is why I went with this matte clear case for the purple iPhone. And this case right here is super clear, man. This is nice. I'm not going to touch the back side because I want to get it in there. But here's your ports cut out and everything right here. For charging, sync, and microphone. Microphone up top, volume rocker, vibrate mute switch, power button, and the cutout for the camera here is nicely crafted. And let's just get it on. You got a little bit of branding. I like that branding, Carl. I like. Oh man, this is sweet to say the least. Wow. You can see, if you could see this in person, man, you'd be like, oh snap, that is nice. It feels like out of box symmetry. Carl has stepped his game up. I keep saying Carl, he's the owner of this company. But man, the vibrate mute switch, nice, easy to access. I really like it. Power button's good, volume rocker. I got the device powered off. I was getting ready to do something, but lip protection all along the front. Ooh, I'm not even mad at the little logo on the bottom there. I'm not even mad at that. That's clean because of the color of the phone. I can only imagine how great it's gonna be on this one. So let's get it open here. Oh yeah, I love the new boxes too, Carl. Love them. I love this presentation. Yellow pops and it stands out, and so it's gonna grab attention when you're opening it. Oh man. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. I'm feeling this. I'm catching the groove for clear cases, you know. And you know what? If I'm being honest, that's due in part to the iPhone 12 in this other color and me buying a clear case for it. So again, folks, same setup and everything. This is just for the Pro. So I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm gonna put this bad boy on because you see this is Sophie Gar's Rock New Rugged series here. Oof, this is rock gray in color, and oh, look at this. The vibrate switch easily. This vibrate switch, how deep it is, it feels a little different than this one. As you can see, the cutout looks a little different because this is a curved display. And this is not a curved display. So nonetheless, oh boy, this is beautiful. This one feels a lot thinner too, and that's why probably is due to in part to that curved display. Remember, you guys, I like this feel and hand of this one much better than the 9. Even though this is a little bit bigger display, that curve helps out so much. Boom, look at this. This is just gorgeous, man. Look at this. This is a way to show off your current device in all its glory. Now, how long will these last without changing colors? Carl, Can't give you a pass on that. So if these change colors in the next 6 months to a year, because, you know, some people keep their devices forever. The good part is, if these were to change colors and case and start to get that yellow hue to them, these do not cost the same price as the out-of-box symmetry and all those cases that come in at these higher prices. So, man, I'm appreciative of Carl hooking these cases up. Wow, these are just, I'm not even mad at the little logo on the bottom there. I like the, especially against the black. This is where it's at. I like it, man. Oh, man. This is a time where you just need to see these in person. Ooh, beautiful. Just beautiful. You got a winner here, Carl. Stick with it, man. Stick with it. I'll have links in the description where you can grab these at. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.